Why do we trust our hair to a 90s blow dryer when we wouldn't even trust our food in a 90s microwave? I used to burn my hair with old dryers, but this one can rapidly dry your hair through powerful airflow and an appropriate temperature 5 times faster than traditional hair dryers, while effectively protecting your hair. Basically drying your hair not through heat, but by strong airflow. I've spent over $500 on blow dryers, and this one blows them all out of the water. Standard hair dryer has 20,000 RPMs. This one has 110,000. It also releases 200 million negative ions, locking in moisture of the cuticle of the hair, preventing your hair from drying out, splitting, or breaking, keeping it shiny and healthy. I have a special link, so click that orange cart and see what kind of price you're getting it for.